A lonely mother gazing out of a window, staring at a son she just can't touch. If at any time he's in a jam, she'll be by his side. But he doesn't realize how he hurts her so much. But all the praying just ain't helping at all, 'cause he can't seem to help himself out of trouble. So he goes out and makes money the best way he knows how. Another body laying in the gutter. Listen to me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all. But I think you're moving too fast.